നമസ്കാരം. ഓം ഗുരുഭ്യോ നമഃ. സദാശിവസമാരംഭാം ശങ്കരാചാര്യമധ്യമാം അസ്മത് ആചാര്യപര്യന്തം വന്ദേ ഗുരുപരമ്പരാം. On 20th of November, Guru moves to Kumbh Rashi from Magaram Rashi until 22nd, 2022. Here I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here. Just give a light to the momentum of transit of Jupiter from one Rashi to another Rashi, that from Makar Rashi to Kumbh Rashi. Jupiter has very big implication in our life. A lot of good thing will happen during the transit. Take it always positive. A guru never do any harm to the Shishya or good people. So, we pretend to be a good person or lady. We have to accept Guru's advice, and surely we have to face a lot of good things in our life on coming days. Here, I will try to explain what are the small issues that we have to face during the Jupiter transit November 22nd, 2021. For the Mesha Rashi people, financially good time, can repay old debts and can buy a new vehicle, property. Further down the line, a relationship inside the house will also improve. Between husband and wife, kids and parents also get improved. Take care of parents' health. Drink more water and pray for Lord Vinayaka. Ganapati will always do best for Mesha Rashi people. Rishabham or Ridava Rashi, people get more stress and will get irritated with other people argument. So, cool, calm. Always think twice before talk. It will leads to spoil the relationship. So, be careful. Always check pressure level and careful about headache without reason. The positive side, financial success is most advantage during this time. Pray to Lord Muruga. Dhanvantari will do the best for these people. Mithuna Rashi people, job pending for last few months will clear and new opportunity will come. In abroad also, lot of new opportunity will come. Do not interfere in others' matter, that will leads to issues. So don't interfere others' personal issues. Health issue may have take care a little bit of whatever the hormonal balance, something we have to take care. And we have to pray for Lord Shiva. Shiva Manasa Puja is the best. Do it daily. Kadaka Rashi people, Karkataka Rashi people, careful when talking to people, a new person especially. Financial issue can be easily managed. Will get new business opportunity. Expenses will be a little bit higher, but enough money will comes in, so no worry. Do pray for Lord Dakshinamurti, especially Guru Puja is the most important for Kadaka Rashi people. When Simha Rashi, it's a good time to improve personal relationship as well as friends. New business opportunity, there will be new partnership offer will come. You can accept. It will be long term. It's the right time to investment in public sector. On shares people, don't put your things in the private, put in basically on public sector, and plan to go abroad. That will lead to a successful one. Kanni Rashi, For Kanirashis, financial success is there. Do not give loan. New way of money comes in. If loan given will not get back. Those who have pressure must take care. Medicine should take as well as do yoga and meditation. A relationship should manage properly. Do not share with friends the relationship between husband and wife. If you share something in between private things in friends, they will misuse. Pray to Durga Ma is the best time. For Tulam Rashi people, good news will come from kids and their education related issues will be sorted out. Better talk to teacher or their gurus regarding their education. Do pariharam to departed soul. Do not invest short term investment. Also careful on spouse health. Must go for proper treatment. Need to travel for job related. Maybe new transfer will also shown in the cards. Pray to Narasimha Murthy as well as Lord Kala Bhairava, do the best. For the Virchika Rashi people, more spending may required during this time and proportionate income will also come, so do not worry. Spend on charity will do the best. Spend time in old age home and orphanage, do the best. Good time to get loan and try this for new housing, that will work very fast. Give strength to partner whose mental strength got low during this time. More support to spouse is most important. Take care about food habit. Navagraha prayer will do the best. For Dhanurashi people, care about kids. Some health issue may come small, but that leads to very big one if not taken care in time. Job related issue may come and more responsibility fall on your head, but you can take it and you will get appreciated and you can finish the things very fast. Also careful on online payment. During money transfer, recheck the name of the person and do it. Otherwise it leads to some legal issues and you may lose some money. Some legal issue may settle through out of court, and pray to Lord Hanuman will do the best. For Magaram Rashi people, care to aged people in the house is most important. During they will walk and step up or down and careful about them, and during they are using a restroom also careful. Financially it is a good time for them. Investment on long term will do the best. Do not worry about kids, they will do the best. Just support them. Back pain and knee pain can be overcome. Joint pain has also been taken care. Health and business issues can be managed, but carefully do and get advice from proper people. Consultation people also do the best. Pray to Lord Krishna and Bhadragali will do the best. For Kumbharashi, career-wise a good time. Workload will increase, but appreciation will come and financial benefit through that also noticed. Financial success also shown. Do not invest in short term. In better invest on property, land and property will do the best. Also invest in bond, also government bond also do the best. New assignment appreciation from government will come. Good time to take a vaccination because your proper vaccination should be done, because travel on the card to the abroad, and going abroad will do the best. Meeting with the new people will generate good for their professional work. Always listen to advice from elderly people and pray to Lord Chandiga will do the best. For Meenam Rashi people, unexpected expenses may arise, maybe medical or other old due, but can be managed. Always depend on intuition. Lot of time don't depend on some other people's voice and messages. mind always wavering to do something best. In meantime, I'm assure you things will do the best, and take care. Do some physical work, kind of gardening and jogging kind of thing must do. That means concentration deviation has to be done. Be cool, calm, because these people may affect with the pressure, high pressure. Sometimes unwanted relationship may lead to mental stress. Pray, meditate to overcome the stress. Due care to spouse will lead to more good atmosphere inside the house. Support to different and more support from different angle always help in bad time. And all the best, all blessings.